How to create Trust Wallet account. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's start with this tutorial. To create yourself your very own Trust Wallet account, you need to install your Trust Wallet application. Ensure that it is up to date. Select Get Started. Tap on Create New Wallet from this option. Select Create next to Secret Phrase. Now you can back up if you want or skip it for now. In here you want to enter your passcode along with a biometric login that could be your Face ID or fingerprint. Once you have added your security, now you are all aboard for your Trust Wallet experience. You also have to allow some of the permission it asks for. You can check out the settings option to do necessary modification of the application based on your preference. Select the support option if you need further assistance to know what actually Trust Wallet is and how does it actually work. To use your Trust Wallet support, all you have to do is type in the issue you are facing and the bot will suggest you with similar solutions for your problem. And that is a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.